Hello class, welcome to our LFCS online class. Myself Sandhya Tiwari, your SST teacher. In the previous video, we studied about chapter 11 and today we are going to start a new chapter. In the previous chapter, that is Changing World of Arts, Painting, Architecture and Literature. We discussed about painting, arts, architecture and literature. Okay, and today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter 14, India after independence. Okay, we will talk about our countries after independence, what developments took place, and what are the problems arises, and how we able to solve all the problems, and especially the problems of the refugee. Okay, how we were able to solve the problem of refugee, and also integration of princely states, and also demand for new states and efforts to fulfill the regional aspiration of the people, and also after independence why was there a excellent to divide the country on linguistic lines, and also agitation for the creations of more states, and preparation of new constitution, and the new constitution, especially on this work by Dr. Ambedkar's contribution to the framing of the Constitution of India, and problems of national language, and other topic which we will discuss in this chapter. Also reasons why English continued to be used in India after independence, and also economic development and the 5 year plans. 5 years plans here. First 5 year plans started in 1951 and lasted up to 1956, and second 5 year plan, that is from 1956 to 1961, and third plan 1961 to 1966, and fourth plan 1969 to 1974, fifth plan 1974 to 1979, and sixth plan 1980 to 1985, seventh plan 1985 to 1990, eighth plan 1992 to 1997, ninth plan, that is in 1997 to 2002, and 10th plan, that is planned in 2002 to and lasted up to 2007, 11th plan 2007 to 2012, and the 12th, that is 2012 to 2017. And now this is your which plan? You can say 13th. Okay, so let's start our chapter 14, after independence. Okay, in this today we will discuss a few topics. Let us see the topics which we are going to discuss today. The first one, that is regional and national and regional development since 1947, and second topic which we will discuss today, that is the refugee problem. Let's see one by one. Okay, so first of all, open your book, page number 127. Okay, national and regional development since 1947. After the partition of the country, India had to face many problems. You have seen that after the partition of India, we also face a lot of problem. Okay, and we will see what are the problems which we faced one by one. Some were national in nature while others were regional, and some problems created as a national problem in nature, and the second one, that is regional problems. Two problems main arises out. First one national problem and second one regional problems. Okay. People living in different regions wanted new states based on their linguistic and cultural aspects. See, the after independence, people especially want to participate or wanted their different regions and wanted their new states based on their linguistic. They demanded different states according to their linguistic, means according to their language in the area where they used to live, and in that area the language which they used to speak. According to that they demand their separate state. Okay. And also not only this, not only according to linguistic, but also they demand different states according to cultural aspects also. Within the last 64 years or so, India has faced many problems, and with great patience and preservation, she had been able to solve most of them. We have seen that within 64 years of such a long time, we had faced many, and we can say that so many problems in our country. And also not only problem arises, but also we are able to solve these all these problem very wisely, and also with great patience as well as preservation. And also we had able to solve all the problem, means not all, most of them. हमने देखा कि कई सारे प्रॉब्लम्स हमारे कंट्री में आए आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस, लेकिन हमने क्या किया कि उन सारे प्रॉब्लम्स को धीरे धीरे करके एक एक करके सॉल्व करने की कोशिश की, और कुछ हद तक कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स सॉल्व हो चुकी हैं। बहुत थोड़ी बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स ऐसी होंगी जो अभी तक होंगी, जो कि उस पर भी लोग सॉल्व करने में लगे हुए हैं। ओके, नाउ सी द सेकंड टॉपिक, द रिफ्यूजी प्रॉब्लम्स। The partition of the country brought about many problems for India in its wake. You have seen that partition of India or country brought a lot of problems. Okay, one such tough problem was the rehabilitation, and the most important, and also we can say that the hard and the tough problem that comes towards that was rehabilitation, means punarvas ka, ठीक, or refugees who had come both from eastern and western Pakistan. And these refugees they come in our country from the part of Pakistan, especially from West Pakistan and also from East Pakistan. Partition was followed by a reign of fear, erosion, slaughter and murder on both sides. और आपने देखा कि पार्टीशन किस हालत में हुई, कैसे हुई, दोनों तरफ से खून खराबा हुआ, यानी और आग लगाई गई, एरोशन मीन्स आग लगाई गई, लोगों की स्लटर गले काट दिए गए, एंड ऑल्सो उनकी मर्डर कर दी गई, हत्या कर दी गई। देयर वॉज अनप्रेसिडेंटेड वायलेंस, मतलब कि बहुत अभूतपूर्व वायलेंस था, ठीक, ब्लड शेड एंड मास्क्रेस ऑन अ लार्ज स्केल, बहुत ज़्यादा खून खराबा हुआ था। कभी कोई आपने पुरानी देशभक्ति मूवी भी देखी होगी कि पार्टीशन के समय की बनाई हुई, उसके बाद मतलब कि बनाई हुई मूवी है, उसमें दिखाया गया है कि किस तरह से लोगों को तलवार से मार मार करके एक जगह से दूसरे जगह भगाया जा रहा है। Within a short period of about 5 lakh people, both Hindus and Muslims were killed and millions were rendered homeless. And also you have seen that during this time 5 lakh, near about 5 lakh people, both from Hindus and also from Muslims. They were killed, and millions of people were wandering from here and there without a home. आपने देखा ना कि कई सारे मिलियंस ऑफ लोग यहाँ से वहाँ भटक रहे हैं, उनका कहीं रहने का ठिकाना नहीं है, उनके लिए घर नहीं, उनके पीने के लिए पानी नहीं है, उनके खाने के लिए अनाज नहीं है, उनके पहनने के लिए कपड़े नहीं हैं, सब कुछ बिखर चुका था। ठीक। And as a result of these riots, an unending flow of refugees began to pour into India from Pakistan. और इस समय में देखा जाए कि उसी हालत में बहुत सारे रिफ्यूजीज जो थे पाकिस्तान से हमारे इंडिया में धीरे धीरे आने शुरू हो गए। Soon this refugee problem became one of the major and immediate problems facing free India. And our free India facing this refugees problem. हमने देखा कि हमारा इंडिया जब आज़ाद हुआ उसके बाद से उनकी पहली प्रॉब्लम थी रिफ्यूजीज को फेस करना। उन्होंने इस प्रॉब्लम को फेस किया। As many as 8.5 million people migrated to India. यह भी कहा जाता है कि लगभग 8.5 लोग मिलियन पीपल वहाँ से हमारे इंडिया में माइग्रेट हुए यानी आए। ठीक। माइग्रेशन ऑन सच अ वास्ट स्केल वाज अनप्रेसिडेंटेड। कैसा है? ये अभूतपूर्व है, कभी सोचा नहीं जा सकता इतनी बड़ी संख्या में माइग्रेशन हुई थी इन द वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री, बट बोथ द गवर्नमेंट एंड द पीपल रेंडर्ड ऑल पॉसिबल पीपल टू दीज रिफ्यूजीज। इतनी बड़ी संख्या में कभी कहीं रिफ्यूजीज नहीं आए थे, लेकिन हमारी सरकार ने और लोगों ने बड़े ही आराम से इसको हैंडल किया। The Rehabilitation Ministry, which was specially created for this purpose.